How to register Mart account. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to register Mart account. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser. Now search for Mart, then head over to popmart.com. Once you get here, click on the sign in/register option. If you already have an account, enter your credentials and log in. If you want to register, you want to select your country. Once that is done, enter your email address. You can also register using your Google account or Apple account. Once you've entered your email address, click on the continue option. Now on the next page, you will have to enter your password. Go ahead and create a new password. Now click on the continue to send code option. Check the code sent on your email, then enter that. Now click on create my account. Once you do that, your new account will be successfully registered. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.